So, hello guys. Today's contest question is score of a string. It is a first easy question. So, we have given a string S. The score of a string is defined as the sum of absolute difference between the ASCII values of the adjacent character. So, we have to return the score of S. Means we have given a string. We have to find the absolute difference between each adjacent characters, like we have to find the absolute difference between E and H. We have to find the absolute difference between H and D, then L and L, then O and L, and we have to add it and return it. So this is a very simple question. Like in this example, we have given that ASCII value of character H is 104, E is 101, and same for this. So the score will calculated as we will subtract E minus H, means 104 minus 101. Then we will add L minus C, then L minus L, O minus H. So, and after solving this, we will add it and we will get the score of the string. So it is a pretty easy question. So here their solution is. So we will declare a variable sum for this, and we will iterate a loop from I equal to 1, means we will start from E character and till the length of the string. Then we will find sum, we will add sum plus equal to mat.abs, means we will find the absolute difference between character at I minus character at I minus 1. It can be possible that this became negative, so the mat.abs return the positive integer, so we will get the sum.